Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is Redox, Oxidation, and Reduction lesson number 2. Alright, so what we're going to do is we got like 4 formulas here, and we're going to look to see which one oxidizes and which one reduces. Okay, so let's look at the first one here. So let's get our oxidation numbers. So Na has a +1 and OH has a -1. It's a polyatomic ion. Chlorine has a -1, calcium has a +2, chlorine has -1, sodium has a +1, hydroxide has a -1, and calcium has a +2. Alright, let's look at this. Sodiums do not change, okay? The hydroxides, the OHs, do not change. Ooh, the calciums do not change. Still +2s. And the chlorines are still -1s, they do not change. So this is a non-redox equation. Okay, so this is neither a Leo or a Gur. Alright, so let's look at the next one, okay? So we're going to go to the next problem here. And we have carbon tetraiodide. That's what that is. That's not chlorine 4, that's carbon tetraiodide. Alright, so let's see here. This has a -1 charge here, and this has a +4 charge there for the carbon. That bromine is all by its lonesome, so it's a 0 charge. Okay, and then this carbon is a +4 charge. This bromine is a -1 charge. And this iodine is also all by itself, so it's a 0 there. Oh, look at this. The bromine does change. It goes from 0 to +1. Okay, so that means it's going to gain an electron. So this is Gur, and that means that it's going to gain 1 electron. So this is going to reduce. That one's going to reduce. And let's look at our carbons. Our carbons don't change. Iodines do change. It goes from +4, from -1 to a 0. So actually, we are going to lose an electron. So we're going to do Leo right here. We're losing 1 electron. All right. So that's going to, that side of the equation is going to, of course, so that one's going to actually reduce. And I'm just going to call that O. All right. Let's look at the next one here. Okay. So Li starts off with a 0 because it's all by itself. This is a -1. This is a +3. This is a -1. This is a +1. This is a 0. Okay. Our chlorines do not change. They're still at -1 each. But look at our lithiums. It goes from a 0 to a +1. So that means it loses an electron. So Leo is lose electrons, oxidize. So it's going to lose just 1 electron. And that's we're going to call that O for oxidizing. Okay. Let's look at our iron next. Hey, our iron goes from a +3 charge to a 0 charge, right? So we are going to gain 3 electrons. So this is going to be Gur. And we're going to gain 3 electrons in this case. And that means we're going to reduce. Pretty darn snarly, huh? Okay, and let's look at this last one over here. Alright, so let's look at this one we've got right here. We've got this H2. Alright, so H2 is by itself, so this is a 0 charge. The F is by itself a 0 charge. This is a -1, and this is a +1. So our hydrogens, we're going to lose 1 electron. Lose an electron, we oxidize. So we're going to put 1 electron loss. I'm going to call that oxidation with that over there. And my fluorine is going to go from 0 -1, right? So we are going to gain an electron. So we're going to reduce. I'm gaining 1 electron, by the way. And that's it for this lesson. You guys be snarly. I will see you back here at Museum Chemistry.